How to turn on 24 megapixel option in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the camera icon to open it. Then tap on the control button here. Next, tap on settings. In camera settings, we then scroll down, and from here we tap on camera assistant, then scroll down and tap on 24 megapixel resolution, and then make sure you tap on the toggle button to switch it on. This will add the 24 megapixel option to photo mode. Resolution may decrease due to zoom in camera settings. Okay, so if you go back to the camera, and at the top here, you should now be able to see there is an additional option allowing you to capture at 24 megapixel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.